Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials so you can shoot right away. Grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions, and make sure the app is updated. This prevents interruptions. Once done, pick your resolution and aspect ratio, choose 4:3 for stills or 16:9 for video, and turn on the grid to frame properly. Stabilize the device next. Use a tripod or brace against a stable surface and wipe the lens. Small steps now save time later. Now you handle the core controls that determine image quality. Switch to manual or pro mode so you can set ISO and shutter speed. Lower ISO reduces noise, while slower shutter yields motion blur or light. Tap to focus, then lock AE/AF to preserve exposure. Enable RAW if you plan heavy editing, because it retains more detail. Also, turn on HDR or night mode for tough lighting. Check the histogram to avoid clipped highlights and shadows, and adjust until you see a balanced spread. Finish by reviewing and exporting with intention. Inspect images on a bigger screen, crop for composition, and apply subtle color corrections so photos remain natural. Once satisfied, back up originals to your cloud or local drive and organize with tags or folders so you can find them later. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Clear the app cache first, make sure storage permissions are granted, and only then reinstall the app. After each action, relaunch and test a quick shot to confirm the problem is solved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.